Hello! Today, we're going to study about how to add integers. Okay, ito yung maraming nalilito ng mga students. Paano nga ba i-add yung integers? So, yung integers kasi, meron na tayong positive and negative. Yung integers, napakahalaga niya yung adding of integers kasi siguro mag-start na siya ng grade 6 and then until college kasama mo na siya. So, kailangan ma-master mo siya or talagang hindi ka malito. Paano nga ba talaga i-add ang integers? So, adding integers. So, the first rule in adding integers is when the sign, kung yung sign niya is both positive or both negative, pagsasamahin lang natin yung numbers natin. So, for example, positive 20 plus positive 50. You're going to have 70 or positive 70. Meron kang perang 20, dagdagan mo siya ng pera pa ulit na 50, then meron kang pera na 70. So then, next, negative 20 plus negative 50 equals to negative 70. So, negative, it means may utang ka. So, may utang kang 20, dadagdagan mo ulit yung utang mo ng 50. So, altogether, you have utang na 70. So, negative 70. So, that is the first rule. So, once na pareho, nakita mo siya na pareho ang sign, pagsasamahin mo lang yung number, pag-a-add mo lang siya as usual, then take that sign. And then the next rule is, paano pag magkaiba na yung sign? So, paano ba pag magkaiba yung sign? Positive 50 plus negative 20. So, yung positive 50, it means cash on hand, pera mo siya. And then yung negative, yun yung utang mo. So, meron kang perang 50, may utang kang 20. So, anong matitira sa'yo? May matitira ka bang cash on hand or magkakaroon ka pa rin ng utang? So, anong mangyayari? Babayaran ko yung utang, matitirahan ka ngayon ng positive 30. May pera ka pang 30. So, anong nangyari? Di ba addition siya? So, the rule is, pag nakita mo na magkaiba siya, you have to subtract the two numbers or the numbers pag ma-minusin na siya. You have to take the lesser number from the greater number. So, nakuha ko, 50 minus 20 is 30. Bakit naging positive? Dahil mas malaki ang 50 kaysa sa 20, mas malaki yung cash on hand ko kaysa sa utang ko. So, another example. Maliktarin natin siya. Positive 20 plus negative 50. So, ngayon, ang positive ko na is yung 20. Ang cash ko na is 20 pesos and ang utang ko na is 50. Positive 20 plus negative 50. So, ma-minus mo pa rin siya. Kasi magkaiba. Isang positive, isang negative. So, still 50 minus 20, 30. But this time, may matitira ka ng utang. So, negative 30. Ang cash mo lang is 20, may utang kang 50, may matitira ka pa ring utang na 30. So, the rule in adding integers with a different sign is that you have to subtract the numbers and then you have to get the sign of the greater number. Disregard mo yung sign. Kumbaga, okay, isang positive, isang negative, ma-minus mo na siya. Then, wag mo nang tingnan yung positive and negative. Mas malaki, 20 or 50. Mas malaki si 50, then take that. That is negative. That is how are you going to add integers. This is so important because kapag hindi mo nagkuha how to add integers, magiging mahirap sa'yo how to subtract integers, and that would be our next lesson. So thank you.